So hello everyone, this is our first lesson on Krutrim. So you can see I'm in the login page. So Krutrim is by Ola, and so you just have to go to this website and you can register for a new account, and they have a special offer where you can get 10,000 rupees worth credit for free. Yeah, this is a console, and so here they have many things you can do. So you can train your models here, you can just play around with them, and you can even do translation, speech to text and all that. So this is just a list of all of their models. You can see they have their own model, Krutrim Spectre, and they have Llama 3, Stable Diffusion, and all of that. So Stable Diffusion is a image generation model. So all you have to do is you just put up a prompt. You can see I'm putting it in right now. And so the negative prompt is optional, but basically it's just what the model shouldn't do. And of course, the prompt is what the model is supposed to do. You can set the generation steps, guidance scale, seed, and all that. I won't be explaining all these terms in this video, in this lesson, but they are super important. They're super important, and we'll learn about them later. So I've queued it, and that's the image. So Stable Diffusion is a small model, so it's not as good as like OpenAI's DALI or anything, but it's free. So I mean, you know. So this Whisper is made by OpenAI themselves. It's a speech to text and speech to text translate model. So we this is their own model, and you can try all of these out in the playground. And their model specialty is that it's trained in multiple Indian languages. So I can ask to make a song in Hindi and they'll give it to me. And of course you should set the system prompt, which is like the main instructions for it to listen to. And then you have the normal prompt, which is like the user's prompt. So now I'm doing I'm asking it to make an essay in Malayalam, and so you can see the temperature that I'm setting right now. So the temperature is basically the creativity of the model. So the more it is, the more creative and then random it is, and the less it is, the more straightforward it is. So you can play around with all these values you can see on the screen and see how it works out. So yeah, I'll just run this, and yeah. So you can see it cut off there. So what I'm gonna do now is try to increase the maximum tokens. That is the maximum amount of content it can generate. So one token, as you can see there, is about like so a word is like 2 to 3 tokens. So I've increased that, but you can still see it cuts off there. So I'll just change my prompt a little bit and let's see what happens. So you can like play around with the prompt to make it uh, give the perfect reply. So perfecting the prompt is called prompt engineering, and it's supposedly it's in demand as a job right now. So you can learn this and perfect the model's outcome and get a job for it. And as we can see with the prompt tuning we have done, it's given a perfect prompt, a response. So now we'll just check out Whisper. So I've got a recording that I'll upload here. So yeah, so first of all, you have to choose what you want to do. So if you want to do translate or just transcription. So yeah, I've just uploaded the audio, and you can change. Again, there's a bunch of parameters here which you can change. You also have to select the language with the which the audio is in. So this audio is in Hindi, and you can mess around with these values and see how good of a result it gets you, and that's why it's called the playground. So yeah, we have got the response, and yeah, it's in Hindi, and it's given the right transcription for us of the audio. So now we'll try the translation. So in this, you don't have to set the language because Whisper can automatically detect the language with which the audio is in. So as you can see, we have got the result in English. It's been translated, and it's a pretty good translation. So yeah, that's Whisper. So here I'm generating another image. So I've told it to make it an image of a flower, and the negative prompt is that it shouldn't be an image of a pumpkin. And so let's see what happens. So we've got a good picture of the flower. It's in black and white, but it's an okay image. So yeah. So the main thing I want to teach you today is prompt engineering. That will be what my first class is about, and yeah, I'll show you how to do prompt engineering, and anybody can do it. So I'll also show how you can be good at it. And yeah, so that's all this video is about. Thanks for watching.